What's going on, Bender fam? Steven here with Trailbenders Overland, and in today's video we're going to be installing a 6-gang switch panel from Nylite that you can find on Amazon for under $100 on our 2024 Ram 2500. Here are some tools to consider when doing this install, link in the description below. The switch panel comes with the harness, 3M tape, hardware with a mounting bracket, fuse taps, fuse, and 6-switch panel with control box. On the 2024 Ram 2500s, the engine compartment is a little congested, so we are going to have to do a little bit of modification, and we're going to show you how to do that if this is the way that you want to mount this switch panel control box. Next to the windshield washer reservoir, there's enough space to put the control box, but in order to do that, we are going to have to make a mounting bracket. We are using a threaded clip that I picked up from a hardware store. I'll have a link in the description below. We also picked up a 3/4 inch by 36 inch metal flat to make our bracket. Next, get your measurements. Using heat, bend the metal flat and cut the excess. Ensure you make enough room to clear both fuse box and windshield reservoir tank. Next, mark the holes for the control box and then mount the control box to the bracket. Route the wires. The standalone red wire from the control box needs to go into the fuse box and will be tapped into a fuse tap. Send the remaining harness through the firewall. 2 15mm nuts hold the factory cover. This is where the harness will go through. Using a step-up drill bit to easily find the right size for the harness wires to go through. This is an optional mounting spot. We are using the panel to mount the switch. It doesn't require much effort to mount it in this location, and in my opinion, looks great. Using the 6-panel switch bracket, we decided to cut the ends off so we can flush mount it to the dash panel. Next, drill 3 holes into the dash panel. Up. Connect the harness to the switch panel and reinsert the dash panel into the truck. Connect the fuse taps by using heat shrink solder connector. Next, tap into an accessory fuse. Using zip ties, tidy up your wires and you're done. And that is going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to hit the thumbs up and the subscribe button for follow-on videos. Also, we have an online store at trailbendersoverland.com. Be sure to check out the merch that we have. And that is it for this video. I will see you guys in the next